Guys,
They bought it.
today we will be building the
Can brother hold your pumpkin?
ship.
Make
Yes.
sure you don't lose it.
Anyway, they
Don't
bought it right
lose it,
before
okay?
COVID, and then the module went in the oven, and
So building more.
they
So
said they
I
couldn't-
already got this dude
no
with
way
topic
they
is
could get
good.
power during COVID, so they just gave them a new stove. So Todd got this from them, and like it's like
It's a nice stove.
yeah, I love gas. I have
This
no
might
idea
be
how
ours.
much it is. We got it for free. I don't know if the
You
oven,
grabbed
the
the
module,
fish.
Robert had a guy come at home
He's
before he
just
brought it out.
stained
And
in.
he said, no, everything worked in it, so I don't know if the module comes in. I
Then
don't know.
we will
But
put
top
a
works great.
face
Like 1, 2,
on
3,
there
4 plus this
that
one.
disappeared.
That looks like one that you can put like a flat thing on, like a griddle.
Yeah, in the middle.
Yeah,
I bet
like
they-
it's so long.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah, because these all
4.
come right off. They all lift off, so they're made.
Or even something that sticks in there and goes straight.
Yeah.
Where'd you go to work or just starting?
Do you want us in a yelling fight?
Why?
Go back in that camper app?
So I got backed up.
Sue said you had no problem backing it up.
I know, I'm
One
good.
shot.
They call me the best. They call me best for nothing.
Who told you that?
I can't tell you.
Anybody that watches the back of the trailer, one shot.
They say it's hot for me.
Subscribe.
Katie.
Any word on,
Come on in, toilet.
They shipped in St. John. They like within like a half hour. As soon as you arrived up there, I think he was out the door again.
Stop on a toilet, every man.
I know, that's one thing I hate
Over
about
the
these.
Sigma.
Yeah, life support kind of.
Every man, yes. Over your Sigma.
They must have been partying all night maybe or something.
Come
I
on
don't
in,
know.
every man,
Was
yes.
that on a four-wheeler or a bike? Like a...
Motorcycle, I guess.
Sigma.
Because they said somebody seen them coming down Denham. That's part of the tire shop there. Going like 100. 120. So that little street, you shouldn't be going that fast. At like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning.
See you guys.
Well, I'm gonna go mess around.
No,
Want a drink?
coming just
You guys want? You want that or you want like one of those blue feces?
Sawyer's. My baby brother's
Feces?
text. Did someone I don't know.
You have to get your heat on.
Huh?
You have to get your heat on in the trailer.
You don't use heat.
Where
like
did
it cold,
Sawyer
though,
put
you
the
guys.
I like
pumpkin?
it when it's
Stop
cold out.
destroying my makeup. Sorry guys.
I gotta go level that.
And hook up to the Wi-Fi if you want.
You get the Wi-Fi?
Nope.
Because I got my Starlink too.
We bought one. They have on sale for $199. $4.19. But I got two. I got one at my front door to send back. You can't get a hold of anybody on the phone to send it back.
Walk to the power.
Starlink?
Yeah.
Can you send them back?
Well, I don't know, but I got two.
I don't think so.
Sorry.
Because once you buy them, you buy them. The hardware's yours.
Yeah, but they sent me two.
By accident?
No, I ordered the first one by mistake because I put my wrong email in and
I'm a
on my
squid.
home phone. Well, they can't text it to your home phone, so I tried to cancel it and I couldn't. So I thought,
Look,
well,
it's
this is
good.
coming off the text, so
Bro,
then I ordered another one.
If you just add a body
Well,
and
anyway,
legs,
it came the day they got
it
wrong,
would
and I
look
said,
like a
one of those is
human.
supposed to go back, but I don't know
Like
which one.
just stick
Because I thought, well, if it's got
on
a serial
the
number, it's linked to my email.
What's that?
So I thought, well, I'll just get, I said, no, give me the both and I'll just look and I'll get,
Yeah.
no phone numbers.
Normally you send them back once you buy them.
I sell it.
You can sell it.
Yeah, but I'm afraid whoever uses it, it'll be under my name.
I don't think so.
Tilt
You have to make your
You gotta set your whole account up on your phone. The hardware just goes with the hardware, and once they plug it in, they gotta link it all. And
Yeah, 'cause that's what I did.
Please
Yeah.
being
This
built.
one.
no, you put it online for $200 and
They're like regular.
I'm still
yeah,
staying
and
there.
slap it online because only you can.
So guys, you might see me like
Ask Bill if he wants to buy it.
saying what the Sigma
That's the whole thing of
because I already
why it's so
said
easy to use and
Sigma.
everything. Because you buy the hardware, so it's yours.
Yeah.
So whether you stop paying on it, you bought the hardware, so they're not looking for their hardware back. There's no
How
extra.
much it is a month now? 214.
Oh, you that
Yeah.
trick.
214.
They put it out.
So that's why I said I'm not gonna. I was really
And I
just gonna
can't find
use
that
it all
piece
year
that
round
maybe-
here and then
Maybe
it
it
They offered me when I went to camp for my necklace,
Sigma Alpha.
and they offered me if I would stay with them, $39.99 a month, starting next year. So I thought, yeah, why would I pay $218 when I can get
Make it
so it'll be
tame.
6 months here and 200, and then for the summer when it'll be
Next page.
Yeah. You want a drink or something?
Yeah, one of my drinks in the trunk.
Jack Daniels.
That little brain was so sweet.
This
From
first
the
ever
back, I remember
And when I was trading it, I was like feeling emotional because I was thinking of like when I was trading.
Emotional damage.
Oh my god, you should see how we come home from school though. It was like,
It was like
halfway up.
because it was like halfway down, and then the braid was like real smushed up, with like a rat's tail.
Come on, I don't ever remember. Yeah. Skibbity toilet.
What up the ants? He's warm blooded too. He's always like sweating.
I could see the side of his head. Well, I had no idea that he was in his camper because Daisy said no, he was going to get it finalized so we could bring it out. So when Robert left here, he said, is it his trailer? Or like is he hauling the side by side? And I said, oh no, we put it in the trailer. I said, his trailer, it's just the trailer with the side by side.
Got my phone.
What's your Wi-Fi?
Just Starlink, yeah.
Sigma Alpha Skibberty. Ohio got Sigma Alpha.
Oh, I'm already connected.
Oh,
He already have a Cocoa Man.
maybe there's a security system that I haven't put it in yet.
No. No.
And this one's different than Monty's. Monty's would turn. This one doesn't. It's just stationary.
No. No, you're not. Because you're annoying.
Really, it'll be just beside us.
Skibberty toilet.
I'm playing, swearing and
Validation call.
probably arguing. They're like, what's Rob's number? I gave
Skibberty
him my dad's number.
toilet.
And then Daisy goes, sometime don't answer. I was like, oops. Like I'm gonna save
Do you want to go to Ohio?
Gave your name's number.
Yeah.
Mom, do you like these two minifigures? Yeah. And like the camel so far?
Do you want to build a snowman?
No!
What happened?
You
It's loading.
Oh, loading.
died.
Jax, you can't use that to make a full video. I can't do long videos because my storage is running low.
No.
End it. End it. I can't do long
Just
videos.
tell them they'll show them when it's all complete.
I'm just gonna delete it.
Don't delete it, but tell them you'll show them another video when it's complete.
I just wanna finish it.
You can finish it, but you can't make a
How
long
about
video.
there's a pic?
My storage is running low.
Okay, I'll do it quick.
How do you get extra storage? Do you have to buy it, or can you
I
dump stuff to the cloud?
Yeah, I gotta throw some stuff on the cloud. It's getting pretty full.
Yeah, because I think mine is too, because I only had, I don't know how many movies.
Skibbity, 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 skibbity.
Oh, you like Anna and Elsa?
Do you like Alpha?
Ooh. We had a wood fireplace in our house in Japan.
Did you?
Is that so freaking big?
Bro, I could literally buy your face.
Compared to 10, eh, buddy?
Like I'd buy Skibidi Dollar. There's after I'm done this Lego set, how about we play some Super Mario Party Jamboree? Sorry.
When I first put in those matching pajamas, I was getting Sawyer dressed next morning for daycare. He wouldn't let me take the shirt off him, so he had to wear some pajama shirt to daycare.
Skibidi.
Hey, buddy, you love spooky Halloween?
And I did too.
Treat. Are you gonna have a drink of pop this year?
No,
No. You could try the good kind, like Orange Crash.
no. But I'm gonna try you in.
What?
Rissa,
What?
when I'm done this Lego set and when we play Mario Party, how about we play on that like regular one?
The what?
The regular one where sometimes, when he get angry, he like all the sports on like all the spaces you named on like turn bad. How about we go on that one?
Yeah.
Right after I finish the camel, it's a part 2. And on that,
You got any little mice running around still?
We had, but we dropped them all, we think, because the last 2 times we came out, there were mothballs around, and I bought something off Amazon. But we're still catching them out in the porch, because there's a gap under the door. But, yeah, we've got, the first night I was here, we set the traps. I was laying in bed, all of a sudden there was one under my bed, all of a sudden I heard snap, and I could hear.
Oh.
So I didn't say anything. In the morning, Robert, he was checking all the traps. No mice. I said, check the one under our bed. Yeah. No, not on the cupboards. Just that one and one under the sink.
guys, there's gonna be a part 2.
Yeah.
Right after I put this last leg
Frank, you
on.
have a step up on that bed?
Pardon me?
Do you need a step up on that
So,
bed?
That's high, yeah.
That is high for you.
Yeah, yeah. The only day she can have that tonight.
bye bye.